Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. I want to but I wanted to point out something that we did. We went to Tahoe this weekend and didn't really have much to do, but we found this cool thing on Groupon, I think it was, yeah?
I looked up helicopter tours on Groupon and this helicopter place popped up. I ended up calling instead of using the Groupon, and it was the same deal when I called and I booked it, and yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Of course, call them. Don't use Groupon because Groupon takes hella money. So check them out. We liked it. It was really fun. It was only $80 per person. It was a quick tour, and you're gonna see our whole thing coming up pretty soon. But real quick, it is something that you guys should check out while you guys are out in Tahoe. Through the trip, getting in, go over a little briefing. Taking off today was kind of rough getting going. Do you think the whole trip was pretty good?
I think it was pretty good. Yeah, just taking off and landing was really rough.
The takeoff and landing. It was dope, the whole thing. It got really windy. The people that ran the operation took a lot of care too. We had a prior date booked, and or the day before, and it got too windy. They gave us a call and we rescheduled. So they took in mind safety, which is pretty cool, not just taking the money. So if you are bored in Tahoe and you need something to do, go check out the helicopter tours. There'll be a link in the description below, and make sure you stay tuned to check out our video of the whole experience, or almost the whole experience that we did. So like, subscribe, and share it. Let us know how your experience was by commenting below. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.